Did you know that a night shift janitor making minimum wage helped shut down a multi-million-dollar organ trafficking ring? Hugo worked the graveyard shift at a major hospital. He emptied trash cans and mopped floors while most people slept. But one night, he noticed something strange. Surgeries were happening with no official records. Hugo found empty organ transport coolers in the dumpster. He heard doctors talking about matching donors who weren't on any official lists. The more Hugo looked, the worse it got. Doctors were stealing organs from brain-dead patients without telling their families. They sold these organs for millions of dollars. When Hugo's boss found out he knew, they offered him a big promotion to stay quiet. Hugo said no. Then they threatened to get him deported if he didn't keep his mouth shut. But Hugo chose to do what was right. He secretly recorded conversations and gathered proof of the illegal operations. His evidence led to federal raids and arrests. Hugo went from making minimum wage to becoming a specialized federal investigator who helps catch medical criminals. Sometimes doing the right thing changes everything.